Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, turn off the phone. In the phone box you will find the SIM tray eject tool. If you don't have one, you can use a paper clip. At the bottom of the phone is the SIM tray. There are two holes. One is the microphone hole and the other hole is where you insert the SIM eject tool. Pull out the SIM card tray gently from the SIM card tray slot and place the SIM card on tray with the gold-colored contacts facing upwards. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is dual nano SIM and has no SD card slot. Insert the SIM card tray back into the SIM card tray slot. Ensure that the ejection pin is perpendicular to the hole and push gently. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot.